Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to add music to WhatsApp status. So firstly, adding music to your WhatsApp status directly is quite not possible as WhatsApp does not have such features available. But we can definitely add music to your WhatsApp status using your Instagram platform. So here is how we do it. Let's get started. Open the Instagram app on your device and tap on the plus icon in the story of your story. Then upload any photos from the photos section of your mobile, or you can simply click and tap on the music icon shown above. There you can choose any music as your preferences, so we are just choosing the first music available there. Now simply drag or anything according to your preferences using your two fingers and simply save using the three dot option available in the top right corner. Wait for a while, it takes a moment to save this video and it is saved. Now simply go back to the WhatsApp and there you can see my status option available there. Tap on it. Now upload the video and simply press on the arrow icon shown in the bottom right corner. So that is it. This is how you upload music to your WhatsApp status. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.